I'm so dead inside. I feel it endless nights. Oh, I can't sleep at night. I see you by my side, but where are you? Where'd you go? You were just right by my side. You were just right in my life. Now you're a ghost. Questioning, is this how it's gonna go? That I'm gonna change, but it always ends up with me in the snow. With all of this pain to the brain running me, oh, I can't control it again. Telling you that I'm in love with all deadness inside. Now I'm fucked over beyond this. I can't be honest. Sorry about these pity lies I don't really wanna talk about. Over this line I've crossed, thinking thoughts out loud. How I fucking lost out all of my feelings like a fucking faucet. You run away with my fucking toss all away. Girl, throw it all away. Throw it all away. Then you lose all your words to say. Spin back, return to getting toxic. Honestly, I can't even trust myself. I can't even trust myself to get the help. Throwing up and puking out, I guess it helps. Now I see that I'm fucked up. Adderall for focus, Percocets for fuck. Acid got me tripping out, I'm seeing something. I'm tripping on my body, now I'm seeing nothing. Now I'm wondering if these days gonna end. If this thing they call love is all fake. I can't even tell, even when it's in my face. Deception, twisted illusion. I'm getting bad and you said you knew. Now I'm loosening up on your noose. But let's be honest for a second, what you know about being you. In the mirror, seeing your reflection. Everything I said, see that you detect in my lies. Bullshit, everything I so alive at the same time. Damn, I'm dead in my nice way. With all deadness inside. Now I'm fucked over beyond this. I can't be honest. Sorry about these pity lies I don't really wanna talk about. Over this line I've crossed, thinking thoughts out loud. How I fucking lost out all of my feelings like a fucking faucet. You run away with my fucking toss all away. Girl, throw it all away. Throw it all away. All your words to say. Spin back, return to getting toxic.